Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore different ways to improve our lives. Today, we're going to talk about meditation and the truth about its benefits. Meditation has been practiced for centuries and has gained popularity in recent years. But what are the real benefits of meditation? According to Multiple's research, meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety by lowering the production of the stress hormone cortisol in the body. JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation can be as effective as antidepressants in treating anxiety and depression. Meditation can also help improve focus and concentration. Studies have found that regular meditation practice can increase gray matter in the brain, which is responsible for processing information and decision-making. This can lead to improved cognitive function and better performance in tasks that require concentration. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of these diseases. A research found that people who practiced transcendental meditation had lower blood pressure than those who did not. Many people struggle with sleep problems, but meditation can help. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation improved sleep quality in older adults with sleep disturbances. Meditation has also been shown to enhance emotional well-being. It can help reduce negative emotions like anger, anxiety, and depression, while increasing positive emotions like happiness and compassion. A study published in the journal Psychological Science found that people who practiced loving-kindness meditation had increased positive emotions and social connections. So, there you have it, the truth about the benefits of meditation. While the practice of meditation may seem daunting at first, the benefits are too great to ignore. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can improve your physical and emotional health, and live a more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.